Hey, aloha everybody. My name is Danny. I'm here with Aloha Life Now, and thank you for watching this live video of this house. Again, I'm here in Kaneohe at this very large 5-bedroom, 5-bathroom home. And as you can see now, we've got a little bit more things that have been set up. We are having an open house today. So please come on by and stop by and just check out the place. Again, this is a 2-story, total of over the land square footage is 5,781 square feet. The garage is 440 square feet. The lanai is 440 square feet, and also the home itself is 2,900 square feet. So it's a very large home, a lot of space for you and your family. Great place to host a party. Just look at this space again. It's just so open. The ceilings are 20 feet high. So when you walk in, it just feels very open, very bright, lots of natural lighting. And I want to just show you what we've done to improve what it looks like out on the lanai, which is basically a deck. So let's check it out. Come with me. So, look at this. Wow. Just sit here in this lanai, just feel peaceful, calm. You can hear the birds chirping, and it's just very quiet here. This is away from the main street, so you won't hear a lot of cars going by. And actually, the road coming into the house is a private road. Makihui Street. So you can see, like, your table, you have your barbecue right there. Start cooking. Just put the meat, pork, chicken, the vegetables, the fish, the shrimp. Just put it all on the grill. Start cooking. Call your friends over. Just enjoy this covered lanai. Even if it doesn't matter if it's raining hard or it's just super sunny, it still feels very cool here. And you can just enjoy chatting along with your friends. So you just imagine that this is a really great house for almost anything you need. The one thing it doesn't have a pool. That's the one thing it doesn't have. But I mean, do you want to keep like maintaining and fixing the pool? Additional cost for a pool. If you're a pool person, that's fine. Maybe this house is not for you. But if you don't care about a pool, you're in Hawaii. You can just go to the beach anytime. So again, this is 2 floors, 2,900 square feet, and it's in the end of a cul-de-sac. So you won't have a lot of cars coming by. So come on here. I'm here today from 2 to 5 for this open house. So if you're just curious and just look around or have any questions, please contact me. Alright, so do one more look around and then I'll end this video. Thank you. new water heater, and it's connected to solar power. Washer and dryer. Storage. So that's the private road. So really, this was part of the street, and then the owner got permitted to own this part. So he just built the garage there. So it's just really beautiful. We'll go back into the house and just check it out. So again, the price is 1.2 million. There was an offer, so we're waiting for more offers. So this is pretty worth it. We'll just check out the upstairs. Wow. I just love this bedroom. It's bigger than my studio that I used to live in. Just this one bedroom. It feels like 500 square feet. It's huge. Maybe it's 400 square feet, but let's see the bathroom. It's just really nice. Well, thank you again for watching. If you have any questions, please let me know. I'll be happy to help you with this home or any other condos, or if you're looking to buy a investment property for your own short-term rentals. So I'll be happy to help you. All right, so please contact me anytime, and thank you again for watching. Hope to see you here today, or if not, maybe some other day. Aloha. Bye-bye.